So in this video, you'll learn how to add pages to the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step in order for you to add a home screen page is to just long press on the home screen itself. Once you're in editing mode, you should see the first default three pages. You have the media page, you have your home screen page, the main one, and you also have this secondary home screen page. In order for you to add another one, you have to swipe to the end on the right hand side and you should see this plus icon. So what you're going to do is just tap on that plus icon once, and once you've tapped on it, you should see a home screen page has appeared. In order for you to add another one, look for that window again, tap on it, and another page will have appeared. In order for you to exit this editing menu, you can just tap on any of the home screen pages, and then you can see as you swipe through the different pages available, you've successfully added a home screen page. Now you can go ahead and add widgets, you can add app icons, and all sorts of customizations that you wish to do on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.